cool. I know, right?
Why did you bring yours? You gotta bring 2 cars.
I know, right? I should have. Oh well. Is it the Polaris Club in here?
And I'm in the way.
Yeah. Suzy Royal. Fitness though. This thing's badass. This thing's dope.
But I'm hoping if I get a new instrument panel.
I wasn't part of that.
Yeah. Terminology during World War II when they would just there it is. Doing a little photos. Damn, that GTR is nice. Oh shit. Alright guys, well that was Fast Fridays. Basically a little backstory. It used to be this car show that would happen every other Friday at this place called KC Trends, which is a local like audio wheel shop. And they would hold meets every other Friday. However, because of some local people and stuff with the cops and all that, some local congressmen kind of got it shut down. And that was a couple years ago. Well, today was the first one in a couple years. They're bringing it back. There's gonna be 4 of them this summer. This was the first one. Not as big as a turnout as I thought it would be, but it was still pretty cool because, you know, it's still fun to go to car meets, have a good time, and some pretty nice cars there. So I hope you guys like that little just short, quick